59 million malware samples were detected on this operating system. Be sure to follow these 3 ways to stay safe today. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you use a Windows computer, this is a major warning to you. A recent study by Atlas VPN showed that Windows was the victim of 96% of malware cases studied this past year. There is good news. Malware threats were down nearly 34% from last year, but that's no comfort to Windows users. So how can you prevent malware if you're using a Windows operating system? My first tip, stay vigilant and pay attention to suspicious notifications on your computer. Also, if it seems to be running slowly and you don't think, or maybe you did click an unknown link, these are all signs that you may have fallen victim to malware. Next, make sure your devices are up to date. Not keeping your computer or even your smartphone up to date makes it susceptible to security breaches and hackers. They are constantly trying to get in, trust me. You can find software updates in your settings. Make sure that you update regularly. Finally, lock up your tech. Antivirus protection is important to use across all of your devices at this point and can help with malware, ransomware, viruses, and keep you up to date with all the security of your devices. Investing in good antivirus software is a great way to keep that protection running at all times on your computer. It's my biggest desire to protect everyone from the dangers that are growing daily online, so be sure to head to cyberguy.com for more of my tech tips that can prevent cyber disasters, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.